You will never lose if you believe in winning and be determined to win. You will win. I would like to at this time bring a brother to talk about reparation, because he have moved to Africa. This is not theory. This is someone that made the transition from America, from the West to Africa. So we're going to give him a chance to inspire you on how he did it and talk about this conference, because it's about reparation and investment. They go hand in hand. You know, we have to save our people from this demon, from this devil. So without further ado, I'd like to bring forth an elder. I call him an elder because he's been on the planet. He's been on the planet over 70 moons or suns, and he's still a young man. He's known by many. You may know him as the last poet. Who remember the last poets from the 60s? He's one of the original founders. Let's welcome Brother Dahveed Nelson.
Greetings, and it's so wonderful to see all of your faces and to recognize you as those who have made a decision to cross the waters and come over here. How many people, is this your first time? Raise your hand if it's your first time. So there are a few of us who've been here more than once. And so that would be what I would say. I came here originally because I was doing marathons, and I combined my interest in marathons, and I did the Accra Marathon. And I stayed for a little while, and then I went back to the States. But once I had come, I realized that I wanted to be here. And so I would say the simplicity of it is there are a number of ways that you can become a resident, which I am. And one is by business investment. You can, if you invest, I believe it's $10,000 with
a Ghanaian partner.
With a Ghanaian partner, you can become a resident, and that's a form of repatriation. You're a resident. That means that every so often you have to pay a fee to get your passport updated. Right now, I have a 2-year residency permit, and after a certain period of time, I can apply for citizenship. That's another story. We have the Diasporan Coalition. Oh, by the way, we do have the Diasporan Coalition that is right now working to reestablish strong relationships with the AU. And for your information, as diasporans, you're a part of the AU. You're part of the future United States of Africa. The diaspora is the 6th region of the AU. You have the opportunity to have your own representation. So, but the simplicity of it is you can establish residency. My residency comes because I have a Ghanaian wife. But I have a business also. I just haven't put, and so I can have my wife as my partner. So I can have residency that way. So, but there are people here that you can meet. We have the African American Association. I happen to be the vice president at this time. And there's a Facebook page. We're going through a transition. The African Americans, you can become a part of an association. African Americans, you can learn things. And as Imani has said, Dahveed has a professional approach to helping you work out the problems of residency. Investment. I own some land in Tobycopi on the Volta River. Very choice property that we were able to get. And we own it with the title, with no dispute. Nobody's going to take us to court. We sit down with the people. In actuality, at this point, we're leasing it. But we have the opportunity to own it. We know the people who own the land that lease it to us. We sit down with them all the time. There's no dispute about it. We have the right to the land. So, and I'm building my first house there. We have land under a long-term lease in Cape Coast. I'd invite all of you to come up to Cape Coast. We have the Asatipa Health Resort. And that's one of the things about coming to Ghana. Where you've been in America, I guarantee you, no one has been working on behalf of your health. But there are entities in place here, like our health insurance. There are a number of herbalists and health specialists here that can help you to create opportunity to restore your health. Reparations. I went online and I was just Googling it and meditating over some of the answers. One of the words that connects with reparations is the word repair. And
substantive discussion, you keep on saying reparations, it's repatriation.
I mean repatriate, I'm sorry. One of the words that thank you. One of the words that connects with repatriation is reparation and repair. That's why I said reparation, because repair is a direct at the root of reparation. But repair also connects with the word repatriation. Repatriation means to return to your homeland. But if you break the word down, patria is in the center, so it says return to the fatherland, or put the family back together again. That's basically what reparation, repatriation, that's where repatriation and reparations connect, is in repair. And so you should think of it as an opportunity to repair the relationship that was ruptured and bring it back together again, and coming with that spirit of us coming together. Thank you very much. I'm here. I'll be here. And so feel free to contact me. I'm on Facebook, Dahveed Nelson. Thanks for the correction.
Also, you can see them on, they have a DVD. The Last Port did a Unity concert in Paris a couple of years ago. And you will see a fantastic reunion of the Last Ports, and Brother Dahveed is in Paris, so we're really proud of him on that.
Well, yeah, you can find it online, and the film we made many years ago has just been restored by the Museum of Modern Art in New York, and on the 8th of November they're having a big world preview.
Those that don't remember, one of the poems was what? Niggas afraid of revolution,
Yeah, sure.
Well, one thing for sure, we're not niggas and we're not afraid of revolution. So we're proud of our elders. Let's give them another round of applause.